Hello, in this video I'm going to be teaching how to sell your Bitcoin token. So this is assuming that you already have a Bitcoin token, either you bought sometime last year or you bought through the flash sale program that's ongoing. All right. Okay, so you have your Bitcoin token, you want to be able to sell on the Bitrefill platform, then this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is log into your account and click on the token center, all right? Once you click on this token center, you have this drop down menu, you click on sell tokens. Okay, so as a seller on the Bitrefill platform, there are two categories. We have what is called the standard seller, and there is what is called the dealers. All right, so I'll quickly explain the difference between the two. So the standard sellers are people who can sell without having to buy any package. So these people can only sell 5% of the value of the sell order coming from their referral. Let me simplify that a little bit. So let's assume that I'm a standard seller and I have a referral that wants to buy Bitcoin token on the Bitrefill platform of $100. As a standard seller, I can only sell 5% of that $100 from my Bitcoin, and the company will sell 95% of the rest. All right. So that is the way the standard seller works. So you can only sell 5% of the sell order from a particular you can only sell 5% of the buy order from a particular buyer. So if your referral is coming in to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, as a standard seller, you can only sell 5% to that particular buyer. So you are not limited to the number of people you can sell to. You are only limited to a particular quantity to a particular buyer. I hope that's clear. So if you have 1,000 people who registered with your referral link trying to buy Bitcoin token on the Bitrefill platform, you will be able to sell to the entire 1,000 people, but you can only sell 5% of the buy orders of each of them. So if let's assume that all of them all want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, you can only sell 5% to each of them. All right. So that is how the standard seller works. And then the dealer, for the dealer, you'll be able to sell a higher percentage of your token to your referrals. But for you to be a dealer, you need to buy packages. So in a bit, I'm going to show you what the dealer packages look like. And really, I think it's the best for you because you'll be able to make more money, you'll be able to sell more, and you'll be able to make more money. So if you can, go for the dealer package. It just makes more sense for you. So what I would suggest is you would need to accept the two agreements so that you can either sell as a standard seller or sell as a dealer. All right, so you will not be able to transact until you have accepted this agreement showing right here on the screen. So to accept the agreement for the standard seller, you do well to read it. After reading, if you're cool with it, you click on agree and activate. Once you do that, it brings you to this page. So what I want to do now is to go back to where I'm coming from so that I can also agree to be a dealer, right? Okay, so I'll go to token sender, I'll click on sell tokens. Okay, so you can see that I'm already a standard seller. It says go to standard seller dashboard, so that means I'm already a standard seller. But here it says become a dealer, that because I have not accepted the agreement. So you read it. If you're cool with it, you click on become a dealer. Okay, so right now I can either sell as a standard seller or sell as a dealer. Okay, so to sell as a dealer, it brings you to this particular page where it shows you all the dealer packages. So there are about 4 dealer packages here. So we have the personal, the experience, the business, and the platinum. All right, the personal is $100. So you buy this particular package for $100, and then you'll be able to sell 40% of the value of the buy order coming from your referrals. Don't forget that for the standard seller, you can only sell 5%. So for this, you're selling 40%, which is way higher. So you're going to make more money faster. Okay. So the $100 will allow you to have a limit of $125, which is a profit of 25%, right? So that's amazing. And this can be sold out in 1 day or in 2 days. It all depends on how many people you've got in your network. Basically, the way D3Fill works, everybody you refer to D3Fill, everybody who registers on D3Fill with your referral link must, of a necessity, buy their Bitcoin token from you. All right, so you can see that it's an amazing opportunity for you actually. So it doesn't matter if you already have Bitcoin. Maybe you bought from last year or you bought your Bitcoin from the flash sale program. You cannot use any of those Bitcoin to buy any of the services on D3Fill. Airtime, data, utility bill, cable TV, flight, hotels, and all of those services that will be launched on the D3Fill platform. You can use any of those Bitcoin tokens that you bought outside of the D3Fill platform, whether on flash sale, whether last year. You can't use any of them to buy any of the services on D3Fill. What you can do with those tokens is to sell them on the D3Fill platform, but you can use them to buy the services, right? So if you want to use any of the services so that you can get a 20% discount that is offered on the system, you have to buy your token on the D3Fill platform. So that is an amazing opportunity there. What it means is that anybody you refer to this platform, anybody who uses your referral link to register on this platform will always buy tokens from you. Even if they already have their own tokens, they will still have to buy from you if they are to use that token to buy any of the services available in the system, right? So you decide if you want to go for the $100 package. That would allow you to sell 40% of the buy orders of your referrals, while 60% of the sale goes to the company. If you go for the $350 package, you'll be able to sell 45% of the buy order of your referrals. If you go for the $1,500, you'll be able to sell 55% and on and on. The $5,000, you'll be able to sell 65% of the buy orders of your referral. So that's basically how this works. All right. So in another video, I'm going to be showing you how to become a dealer. So in this video, I hope you now know how to sell your Bitcoin token. So if you're not a dealer, if you've not activated any of this package, then automatically by default you're a standard seller. So that means you can only sell 5% of the buy orders of your referrals, right? So but once you activate a dealer package, automatically you're a dealer. You'll be able to sell, a higher amount to your referrals. I hope that's clear. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.